The C320 KTT is a high-speed, inclined bed lathe. The bed adopts the integrated 45° inclined bed circular cavity cast-around structure. The lathe is equipped with 82 servo hydraulic turret, hydraulic through chuck, hydraulic tailstock, optional control system. The bed has good rigidity, strong shock resistance and smooth chip removal. It can automatically complete the cutting of various shafts and disc parts.